What is up, everyone? Welcome back to ADR Rush. Today we are going to be starting the process of a motorcycle rebuild on a Suzuki Gsxr 600. Catch you right after this intro.
Alright guys, we are back. For those that don't know, the bike does turn on. It also runs. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. As you see, the bike turns on. Bike runs good. But what we are here to do today is we're going to remove the seats, the fairings. And the reason we are doing that is to evaluate the subframe. Subframe, there's a big possibility the subframe is bent. So that's basically what we're gonna do. We already ordered the seats, we already ordered the tail lights, we ordered the rear sets, and what else did we order?
We ordered the front lights, the front blinkers.
Oh, we ordered this mount right here, this arm for the front mirror. We still have to order a few more parts. This bike, we're gonna order the fairings, order new frame slides, get this bike 100% running so we can get a DOT approval. This bike is considered right now a salvage, but we're gonna get a rebuild title on it. So as you see, the bike, the damages ain't bad. The damages are not bad. It's definitely fixable, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we're gonna remove this fairing, same procedure as the other. We're gonna remove that screw. What the fuck? We got this seat off. Put that right there. Put that right there. We're gonna remove all these screws. Put the screw here so it won't get lost. Actually, I'm gonna put these screws right on the bike so we know where they go. I like doing this because you don't lose them and then you know where they go. But even though we gotta remove the subframe, we'll just leave it on there for now. We're gonna have to remove the tank. Alright, so these two screws go right here. We'll put those on the side. Try to document it so just in case we forget. On this fairing, you just pull it out. There is a plastic. There is a rubber. I believe there is a rubber. Yep, right there. Now, guys, if you're not sure if your bike has OME fairings, this is how you can tell you got original manufactured parts. You see that grid with the numbers on top. It's a little dirty, and it has these little dots and a number up there. That's how you can tell your fairings are original manufactured fairings. Remove this side. I gotta remove that push button screw. I'm gonna put this push button. That push button goes here. You get 1, 2, so you get 4 push buttons here. We only got one. The other ones got lost. Hopefully when we get a new fairing kit. Same thing here. You just pull this out. Right here, I have to unscrew that. Unscrew the key to unlock the compartment. Let's start off with this one. See those screws with the red dots? If you can document all this for those that are not too mechanically inclined, you can document it so you know where every screw goes. It's good to have a camera. So that way if you forget where the screw goes, you can backtrack on the video and see where certain parts belong. Because some people tend to forget. It happens. Okay, so we all know those are here. The ones with these guys go here. Let's unconnect this. That's good, but we ordered 2 of these just in case. So I'm gonna take these 4 screws off right now. Now I'm gonna put these screws back on so I know where they go. Oops, we'll find that one. This will remove this later when we get the new fairing, so it won't get lost. I gotta remove these 2 screws. Unplug this light. I'm gonna put those screws back on so we know where they go. See, the subframe is bent. You can already see that the subframe is bent. This light is good. Damn. There we go. This has a little twist to it. Did bend a little, but it's plastic. It can conform. That's how you know these are original parts. Original manufacturer. It has the numbers. This number right here, the 14J, is very important. So if you're trying to look for OME, that's a very important number.
The guys in the process of our little installation video. Came across Adrian's Ducati.
This is Mason's Ducati right here. Now this is freaking 2000 cc. This thing will smoke all these bikes.
Yeah, I can see that.
We gotta disconnect all this wiring. See this little belt here? That's a little belt. That's to hold on the wiring. Let me take the little belt. Remember where that little belt goes? Right here. So it won't get lost. Alright, now we have over here the plate lights. So we're gonna take that off and see you in a bit. Alright, so now we're gonna remove these 2 screws. Come under, Angel. We're gonna remove these 2 screws so we can get this axis out, remove that screw, and we'll get this cover out. once we get this subframe out, we'll remove these passenger pegs. So that's that one. These are the undertail fairing screws. What is that? Give me that. What is it?
Part of the.
That's a broken screw. Alright, so now we gotta remove all these parts. We got the wiring. Let's get the wiring. I had to cut the license plate cable because otherwise the LED would not fit through here. Alright, so this is the rear harness for the tail lights, for the brake light. Let me just unplug it from here so I can get my fat fingers in there. Alright, that's the rear harness. Throw that across the room.
Alright, guys. Before we get into that, look who went by to say what's up. What's up, Adrian? How you doing, bro?
I'm alright. What's up?
Right.
You working on a video?
Yeah.
Sure.
Getting ready for that sexy ass ride on that sexy bike.
Might as well get a haircut, honestly. Ass is looking super rough, so I'm gonna get a haircut and go to work.
I hear you, brother.
Hi, Adrian.
Adrian,
What's up?
let's race, bro.
Man, you don't want the smoke.
You don't want this 2000cc smoke, bro.
Listen, you don't want. I'll beat you on a tricycle. I will get my niece's tricycle race you on that. How about that?
Yeah, bicycle is definitely faster.
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta take these off. That's one. This is kind of cramped in here. Alright. So once I get all this out, it's easier to remove the subframe. Right now the process is just getting all these wires untangled.
A lot of wires, but it's not really that complicated. It just looks overwhelming.
It looks overwhelming, but it's really simple, to be honest. This one's got to go into the side. This is the side. Alright. I got a zip tie right there that I have to disconnect, but I'm just going to cut that out. Alright, so now we clear the subframe from the wires. We free that off. So now we're going to start removing the subframe.
Which would be
These two here and two more on the opposite side. So I know I'm gonna need a breaker bar for this. Oh, actually it wasn't that bad. Want to make sure it's in. You don't want to strip those out. This one was a little tight. Unless I can get with the impact. I already broke those off with the breaker bar, so let's loosen these up. Make sure they are same sizes. I do have to detach the brake fluid reservoir from the subframe, but that's not a big deal. Let's come around, Angel. Okay, so the subframe is completely free from the bike. The only thing I have to detach. Oh, I forgot about the exhaust. That's not a problem. I should have detached this first, but I forgot.
Oh, now it's gonna give you a hassle to fight it.
Help me balance this. There we go. All right.
Got it?
Yep. Just rest that. Yeah, my bad, guys. I forgot a step. I forgot that step. This one I knew it was gonna happen, but that's okay because it holds that in place. Let me see what I have. That's gotta be a number 10 or 8. Probably an 8. That is 5/16 actually. I'll put this back on. Anyhow, guys, this is how the bike looks without the subframe, the tank. Alright, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We got more content coming soon. Peace.
Peace.